Christmas Day. Thank you, Dada, Grandpa rather, and Eileen for a really cool sled. All right, let's see.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. That was our biggest wipeout.
I think Theo likes sledding this year. What a difference a year makes. Okay. Wow.
That was a little
Theo,
short.
what did you think?
Ka-chow! Did we go fast?
Yeah.
We did go fast, didn't we?
You crashed into Mom.
I'm sorry about that. That was good aim, though. Yeah, we should walk home. We can't walk back up the slope. Or I guess we
You
can.
want to go one more time, Theo? Kaboom.
I got you. Theo, you know what? It's hard to go walk up the hill. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Theo, I think we should walk home now. Come on.
Oh!
Again? Okay, let's go.
One more time? One
we
more
go.
time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oops. Okay, all done. Do that again. Wipe out. Nice job, Daddy.